Okay, we're here on the peak and thought we would do a video to kind of go over what we're noticing. We're going to do a full roof tune-up anytime we see these exposed nails. The sealant is dried up and blown away. A little bit of ridge cap repair action here. Get all these resealed as necessary. Fix any cracked shingles as necessary. Noticing a few areas where we have some degranulation. You can see the fiberglass being exposed. So checking the flexibility on the shingle here. So I can see the mobility of the shingle is still present. And so each shingle has tabs. Looks like there may have been a little bit of problem areas here, but we got shingles under there, 2 layers, but we can see the degranulation that's present. Here we have the evidence of the 2 layers. We can put that flashing, and then we got the additional layers of shingle. Got the starter strip, it's good. You can see how dry and brittle that original shingle is. If I was to try to bend it, otherwise this shingle here still has good life to it. I know that this is a decorative tree, but I would encourage a little bit of tree trimming excuse me, just a little bit here so that we can service the roof to maintain it. We do part of that if we have a tree, that branch that's that size. I don't want to go to town and go all intense on it, but we're just enough for us to do our work, and it will need a little bit of it. We send these videos to our technicians to help them understand exactly what to do before we get started on the job, and that way everybody's on the same page. As you can see, video, we use it to more effectively communicate with our customers. So we're on this slope. I can tell the 24-inch center, there's a little bit of a slope or bumpiness right here. Otherwise, the rest of this roof is looking okay. We got a missing architectural tab right here. Maybe got lifted in the wind. This seal tab is just loosened up with a little bit of finger pressure. That sealant strip, so we'll try to get those reactivated with the rejuvenating treatment. These nails we definitely want to get sealed up at the top of the ridge here and do a full ridge assessment. We're going to continue to inspect the rest of this back side of this roof here. So the zinc strips are definitely doing something. You can see the benefits of, we got a little bit of a missing spot there, but you can see how it's iceberg cleaning method. Get these nails resealed. Odd placement for nails, seems like they're pretty high, but we definitely want to get those resealed so they don't turn into a leak point. We'll get this debris removed, and you can see the damage that the lichen is causing to the roof. As it dries up, it pulls the aggregate or the granulars with it, so we want to make sure we get that cleaned off. A little bit of roof debris removal needed here. Looks like we got some sort of rodent that is feasting on fruit on top of your roof. And then he's going to the bathroom here. I'd like to get this crack sealant updated around all plumbing boots. On your attic fan here, I'd like to get some sealant around those nails. Update the sealant around here. And it looks to be that the crack is good to go on these. I'd like to get this resealed better. Bit of roof debris removal is part of the cleaning, but rejuvenation is definitely suggested. We're getting low on the granulars and asphalt is being exposed. A couple of spots on the front here. Not the end of the world, but we can see the fiberglass and asphalt being exposed. So then let's look at the middle of the, you can see how paper thin that gets. It's like a fiberglass mesh. We got shingle under shingle under shingle protecting this, so this is not the end of the world. The best focus for us is to focus on getting this cleaned, tuned up, and then getting that rejuvenator to prevent future degranulation like this.